What's up guys, it's your girl Marissa from Krietz Customs coming at you with a Jeep build. We haven't done a lot of Jeep builds recently because it is winter time, so we focus more on trucks, but we are getting back into it. So this is going to be a 2019 Jeep Wrangler, and we're going to take a look at the suspension build as well as the wheels and tires that we had put on it. So that rough country suspension system is going to be that 2.5-inch lift. With your JLs, you'll be able to fit a bigger wheel and tire package with a smaller lift because they are set a little bit differently than the JKs. So with the 2.5-inch suspension system, this is going to be the kit that has the shocks and the springs, and we do replace them from factory. So your wheels are going to be that fuel Blitz. It's going to be a 22x12 with a -44 offset, which is going to push those wheels out anywhere from like 3 inches from those fenders. So now this is going to be that all black finish, and it's going to set the look of this Jeep. As you can see, it's going to match those bumpers, it's going to match the running boards and stuff like that. It's really going to set the look of this. And now your tire is going to be that Nitto Ridge Grappler, a 35-12-50-22. We do not have to trim, or it's not rubbing at all on this Jeep. Like I said before, the JLs still a little bit taller and the wheel wells are a little bit wider, so you can run 35s on a 2.5-inch suspension system without any problems at all. If you guys have any questions about fitment on what you can run on your Jeep, you guys can give us a call 301-694-4642, or you can go to our Facebook page at Krietz Customs and shoot us a message.